Lesson: Distributed Ledger Technology (DLT) Architecture. Distributed ledger technology architecture serves as the foundational infrastructure that underpins blockchain systems and other decentralized networks. This architecture is pivotal for professionals aiming to harness the potential of blockchain in governance and compliance. By understanding the distributed ledger's core components, consensus mechanisms, and data management strategies, professionals can effectively implement and govern blockchain solutions tailored to specific organizational needs. DLT architecture is built on the principle of decentralization, which eliminates the need for a central authority by distributing the ledger across multiple nodes in a network. This decentralized nature enhances transparency, security, and immutability. For compliance specialists, these attributes align with regulatory requirements for data integrity and auditability. For instance, the immutability feature of DLT ensures that once a transaction is recorded, it cannot be altered or deleted, which is crucial for maintaining accurate records in compliance audits. Consensus mechanisms are a critical component of DLT architecture, as they ensure agreement on the ledger's state among distributed nodes. Different DLT systems employ various consensus algorithms, such as proof of work, proof of stake, and Byzantine fault tolerance. Each algorithm has its strengths and weaknesses in terms of security, energy efficiency, and scalability. For example, while POW, used in Bitcoin, is highly secure and resistant to attacks, it is energy-intensive and may not be suitable for all applications. In contrast, POS, which is employed by Ethereum 2.0, offers a more energy-efficient alternative while maintaining security. Understanding these mechanisms enables professionals to select the most appropriate consensus model for their specific governance and compliance requirements. Practical tools such as Hyperledger Fabric and Corda provide frameworks that facilitate the development and deployment of DLT solutions. Hyperledger Fabric, an open-source blockchain platform, offers modular architecture, allowing organizations to customize their networks according to specific needs. It supports permission networks, making it ideal for industries with strict privacy and compliance requirements, such as finance and healthcare. Corda, on the other hand, is designed for interoperability and is particularly suited for complex business transactions requiring high levels of trust and validation. These tools provide professionals with the flexibility to build DLT platforms that align with existing compliance frameworks, such as GDPR or HIPAA, ensuring legal and regulatory adherence. Data management within DLT poses unique challenges and opportunities. The decentralized nature of DLT requires innovative approaches to data storage and retrieval. Professionals must develop strategies to manage data efficiently without compromising the ledger's integrity or performance. Techniques such as sharding, which involves partitioning the ledger into smaller manageable pieces, can enhance scalability and performance. Additionally, implementing off-chain storage solutions can help manage large datasets without burdening the blockchain. These strategies ensure that DLT systems remain efficient and compliant with data management regulations. Real-world applications of DLT in governance and compliance provide valuable insights into its practical implementation. For example, the use of blockchain in supply chain management has demonstrated significant improvements in transparency and traceability. Companies like IBM and Maersk have developed blockchain-based platforms such as TradeLens, which streamline the documentation process and enhance visibility across the supply chain. These solutions help organizations comply with international trade regulations by providing immutable records of transactions and movements. Additionally, blockchain's role in identity verification is gaining traction, with projects like Uport offering decentralized identity management solutions that comply with privacy regulations while reducing fraud and enhancing security. Statistics further illustrate the growing adoption and impact of DLT in governance and compliance. According to a report by Deloitte, over 40% of surveyed executives in various industries consider blockchain a top priority, with compliance and regulatory requirements being significant drivers of its adoption. This trend underscores the importance of understanding DLT architecture and its applications in achieving compliance and governance objectives. Practical frameworks, such as the blockchain maturity model, provide professionals with structured approaches to assess and enhance their DLT implementations. The BMM guides organizations through a series of stages, from initial experimentation to full-scale deployment, ensuring that each phase aligns with governance and compliance goals. By following such frameworks, professionals can systematically evaluate their DLT systems, identify potential risks, and implement best practices to mitigate them. In conclusion, distributed ledger technology architecture is a transformative tool for enhancing governance and compliance across various industries. Its core components, such as decentralization, consensus mechanisms, and data management strategies, provide the necessary foundation for secure and transparent systems. Practical tools like Hyperledger Fabric and Corda, along with real-world applications and frameworks, offer actionable insights for professionals seeking to leverage DLT effectively. By integrating these elements, organizations can achieve compliance with regulatory standards while unlocking new opportunities for innovation and efficiency. The growing interest and adoption of DLT highlight its potential to reshape the landscape of governance and compliance, making it an essential area of expertise for certified blockchain governance and compliance specialists.